Let the set of functional dependencies f equal to qr gives s, r gives p, s gives q hold on a relation schema x equal to PQRS. X is not in BCNF. Suppose X is decomposed into two schemas y and z, where y equal to PR and z equal to QRS. Consider the two statements below. 1. Both y and z are in BCNF. 2. Decomposition of X into y and z is dependency preserving and lossless. Which of the above statements is or are correct? 4 options are given. So this is a question from DBMS topic regarding normal forms and functional dependencies, etc. So if you don't understand all of this, please refer to the video lectures to learn more about those. Now let us take a look at the two new schemas y equal to PR and z equal to QRS. Now looking at the functional dependencies, clearly R gives P holds in y because this consists of P and R, and this functional dependency R gives P holds here. Similarly, if you look at Z, QRS, the functional dependencies QR gives S is there and S gives Q will also hold in these two. So all three functional dependencies hold in a combination of y and z. Now let us see if y is in BCNF. A schema is in BCNF if every functional dependency is of the form super key to something else. Now in this schema, R is the super key because R gives P and P and R is only two columns here. So R is the super key, R gives P satisfies super key to something else condition. So this is in BCNF. Looking at Z, you can see R is not there on the right side, so the super key definitely has to contain R because there is no other production that will produce R. So R has to be there. If we take Q and R, you can see QR gives S, so that is complete. QRS can give all the three Q, R and S here. Similarly, if we take SR only, S will give Q, so that will also give everything Q, R and S. So QR and SR are the super keys in this schema Z. Now if you take a look at this particular functional dependency, S gives Q, clearly S is not super key, it is a partial key. So we can't say that Z is in BCNF. Z is not in BCNF. So saying that statement 1, both y and z are in BCNF is false. Now looking at statement 2, decomposition of X into y and z is dependency preserving and lossless. So clearly it is dependency preserving because all the dependencies 1, 2 and 3 hold in this schema and only 3 dependencies were given initially. So this is dependency preserving. Now is it lossless? If we are decomposing one particular schema into two tables like this, then this will be lossless if the common attribute is a super key in one of those schemas. So if you take a look here, the common attribute is R. R is there in Y as well as R is there in Z, and R is a primary key in this particular schema Y because R will give P. Therefore it satisfies the condition for lossless. R is the common attribute, that is a primary key in schema Y, meaning when we are combining Y and Z together in order to get back our initial schema X, that will be lossless as well. So statement 2, decomposition of X and Y is dependency preserving and lossless is correct. Looking at the options, that is option C, 2 only.